Welcome again, people, back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, like and share and subscribe so we can keep on up to date. Well, me get the full details about the curfew, so I'm gonna read it and we can hear what go on. Jamaicans will be subjected to a far more restriction curfew hours during the Easter holiday period beginning on Good Friday. 3 p.m. to 7 a.m. curfew will be effective daily from Good Friday to Easter Monday. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement of the hours during a press conference at Jamaica House on Wednesday as he gave an update on the government's effort to battle the COVID-19 pandemic. The Prime Minister explained that the nightly 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew that took effective on April 1st will run until Holy Thursday, April 9. However, beginning Thursday evening, the curfew will run from 8 p.m. until 7 a.m. Good Friday. During the Easter weekend, the curfew will be from Friday the 10th of April 2020 through Monday the 13th of April 2020. The curfew will commence at 3 p.m. in the afternoon and end at 7 a.m. in the morning, said Holiness. In other words, the non-curfew hours, that is period of the time that will be able to move about freely and conduct the essentials of life, would be from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. daily over the Easter weekend, the Prime Minister stated. On Easter Monday, the curfew will start at 3 p.m. and end at 5 a.m. Tuesday morning. So we are going to make some sacrifice during the Easter period and then we'll give a relaxation afterwards, said Holiness. He said the nightly curfew rules after Easter beginning on the 4th will be 9 p.m. each night until 5 the following morning. This will remain in force until April 21. Also, all public beaches, water parks and rivers will be closed over the Easter holiday weekend from Good Friday until Easter Monday. The Prime Minister stated that the measures being implemented by the governments are designed to ensure as much economic activity as possible take place without compromising the health of the population. Well, people, when here we are going straight from the Minister mouth, that's what I say. So all we have to do now, I just work with it and try and make us spoil the police record, but we're not going. All we are going. Peace.